for the prosecution. The judge ruling that evidence collected when Mangione was arrested in Altoona, Pennsylvania will be allowed to come in. And the big news, of course, we learned that the worst case scenario, if Mangione is convicted, that he'll spend the rest of his life in prison. Luigi Mangione's criminal case, at least on the federal level, can no longer be called a, quote, murder trial, after federal district judge Margaret Garnett ruled 2 murder by firearm-related charges, which carry the death penalty, could not be considered. Why? Judge Garnett's opinion states that Mangione's alleged stalking of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson did not rise to the level of a violent crime. Mangione is accused of fatally gunning down Thompson from behind on a Midtown Manhattan street in December 2024.
That's exactly what the defense was arguing.
Legal expert Terry Austin.
That there was no striking, there was no violence, there was no knowledge, there was just the stalking. And part of the definition for stalking is that the individual is aware that they're being stalked, that they caused fear, that there's something that they're worried about. And so maybe, getting a protective order, all of that is involved in this stalking. And what the judge said here is, this did not constitute an act of violence, and because of that, the murder charge and the firearm charges were dismissed.
The judge's bottom line, quote, this case will proceed to trial on counts 1 and 2, which charged the defendant with causing Brian Thompson's death under 2 federal stalking laws. The potential maximum punishment for each of those offenses is life in prison without parole. And we are still on schedule for jury selection in this federal case to begin on September 8th. Ernie, Candace?
All right, thank you, James.